I'm Ed Crump. I'm the CEO of AirProxima. AirProxima is an AI-based private aviation startup. We use AI to dramatically improve fleet efficiencies. Like how Amazon puts packages where the customers, want to buy them before they actually order them, we put planes where they need to be for future on-demand consumer bookings. I've been in the industry for 30 years, and moving quickly and efficiently is critical to the initial startup success. For AirProxima, I needed to find a development partner that could not only be trusted to help me develop my core technology and intellectual property, but one that could scale with our needs over time and consistently deliver results. While I was developing Amazon Alexa back in 2014, I helped acquire a company called Centercam. As part of the due diligence, I learned that they had made extensive use of Symphony for rapid prototyping and core technology development. I was introduced to their founders and started working on a new secret project with them. I normally wouldn't have been able to outsource a secret project, but Symphony was approved by Google Ventures for their portfolio companies, and their reputation in this regard was solid. Symphony is the only technology shop that I've ever found that has the capabilities, along with the trusted reputation, to handle secret prototyping projects like this. I've now used Symphony for multiple companies over the past 4 years, and they have consistently delivered critical technology for prototypes, demos, and production deployments. There are very few companies like Symphony that have the breadth of engineering talent, the capabilities to deliver solutions, and cutting-edge technologies such as machine learning and AI. AirProxima's AI has been developed with Symphony from the ground up, inventing new technologies and techniques together along the way. Having remote teams is actually something now when my team in California goes to sleep, then I have a team over here in Bosnia that actually is waking up and taking all of those inputs and all of those questions, and they're answering them. And by the time that my team gets up in California, all those things have been answered, and we keep moving in the cadence forward. Symphony has given us a tremendous edge over our competition. They've exceeded our expectations over the last 4 years. And in terms of innovation, technology development, and delivering product in an extremely agile and frugal way, they have been outstanding.